case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Armed Forces in 1995 presided over a case of significant import, United States v. Walker, that starred a military individual challenging the codes of military justice. In the genesis of the case lies the ability of soldiers to apply for conscientious objector status, a right traditionally guarded. However, it's manifestly clear that the military rules insisted these applications must fall in line with military requirements and cannot provide immunity from adhering to orders unless approved. The accused, faced with stringent punishment for breaching military justice codes, lodged an application for conscientious objector status. Yet the deployment orders remained in effect, which instigated a ruling from the Court of Military Review purporting these orders to be unlawful. Just as an aftershock follows an earthquake, this unexpected decision led to a reversal of the guilty judgments initially passed for missing movement and disobeying orders. In response, the formidable Court of Appeals for the Armed Forces took the mantle and turned a discerning eye towards the case. The paramount mission was to investigate if the deployment orders did indeed run afoul of Army regulations, and the Army message dated January 2, 1991. They were tasked to address contentious questions of law that hovered around the case, notably on whether the ordainment of the deployment orders as unlawful by the Army Court of Military Review was erroneous. The court's gavel ultimately fell on the side of the Army regulations, vindicating the accused's deployment to Operation Desert Shield Storm as entirely within the legal framework. This decision effectively rebuffed the Court of Military Review's prior determination, portraying it as an error of judgment. With the dust settling on this case, the trial record was bequeathed back to the Judge Advocate General of the Army for further scrutiny under Article 66, UCMJ, 10 U.S.C. Section 866.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.